If you have no one to celebrate Valentine's Day with, I wouldn't feel so bad. It's important to understand that this day was created centuries ago to celebrate a saint named Valentine. So Saint Valentine is sort of a man who fought against the tyranny of this emperor named Claudius, and he would secretly wed couples in order to push against the tyranny of this emperor. What it's turned into is this weird marketing ploy to get you to think that you need to have someone on February 14th sitting next to you, enjoying whatever it is you do to celebrate this day that is supposed to revolve around love. If you are someone who truly understands what it is to love someone else unconditionally, then you know it's a job that happens every single day. You show up for it every moment of every single day. It isn't all concentrated on one single day where the objective is to buy flowers or go out to eat some fancy dinner or buy a luxurious gift. If you're really with someone who loves you and you love them, then there's an understanding that you'll celebrate these occasions when you see fit, not when society tells you it's time to celebrate your love. It's always been a bizarre day to me. You hand each other sappy cards that have no real meaning in those words, where you gift each other chocolates that aren't good, where you decide to spend a little more on this person just because society is telling you to. It's bizarre to me. So if you find yourself alone on Valentine's Day, it isn't something that you should sit with and feel bad about. It isn't something that you should deem to fix. It's just another day. It's simply a means to pull more away from you in terms of monetary value, emotional value, and time. If you like celebrating Valentine's Day, then by all means do it. There's nothing wrong with going out everywhere to make your significant other feel special, but do it because you genuinely want to, not because society is telling you, hey, this is a day that's meant for that. If you genuinely want to treat the person you love out to something, or to a special treat, or get them a special gift, then by all means do it. But don't do it because everyone around you is telling you that you have to do it. If you are alone and you do feel bad about not having someone next to you, there's nothing wrong with that. There's always going to be another day where you can share a moment with someone special and turn it into something that you'll remember moving forward. Beautiful memory with someone you love is important, but it doesn't have to be associated with February 14th. It doesn't have to revolve around this pressure that society sets upon you to fulfill your obligation to whomever it is that you seem special. It's pointless to focus all this energy on one particular day just to satisfy the attention of other people. It's a fruitless holiday. It's a cash grab. It's designed to pull your emotional intelligence and manipulate it into thinking that you must abide by this criteria of rules that day. If you are alone, use the opportunity to develop yourself so that maybe on a day other than Valentine's Day, you have someone sitting next to you. I wouldn't emphasize having someone next to you just to have them next to you. And what I mean by that is you don't want to be in a relationship with someone who doesn't like you or love you for who you are. If they're simply with you because you provide monetary value or physical value or emotional value, if they don't check off all three of those boxes for you as well, then that person might not be a good fit for you. If you have someone who is able to fulfill all those needs, then that person is someone that you might want to continue investing more of your emotional efforts into. The more time you spend focusing on someone in a romantic aspect, and you understand deep down that there isn't longevity with this person, then not only are you hurting your soul by exerting this loving energy into this person, but you're also wasting time by allowing yourself to use the little time that you do have on this individual. Don't see as being alone on a single day as a bad thing. It isn't. You have the means to make the best of that single day. So if you find yourself in that position, don't sit in regret, don't mope around, don't wallow in sorrow. It isn't going to help anyone. Understand, it's just another day. It's just a day. That's all it is.